Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix compiler error in hidden module in your Excel or Word on Windows 11. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch either Excel or Word and then click anywhere on the app, and what I want you to do is press Alt plus F11 on your keyboard, and this will actually open up this right here, Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. I want you to come to the top panel, click on Tools, and then click on References. And what you need to do, you need to look for any item that is checked that has the word missing in it. If it has the word missing, I want you to just uncheck it. And then come here, click on OK. Okay, that usually fixes the issue. What you can also do is you can close this, come to the top left, click on File, click on Options, and then click on add-ins, and just go ahead and disable or re-enable add-ins to find a corrupted add-in by coming here. Okay, and you can also consider updating your office or repairing your office installation if the issue is still persisting. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.